I have now been an MP for five years, and then I'm doing my second term of 5 years. And one or two things I will tell you. As a Catholic, I have a unique role to check when legislation is being done that it's in accordance with the Catholic teaching. So we have in our organization, that's one of the things we do. There are issues about LGBT and some bad laws coming, those who touch on morality. We have lawyers among us. We have all professionals. We try to see that they do not pass, number one. Number two, I think I will be right to say in Christianity, Catholicism is the only one which teaches a lot about humility. The others do, but forgive me, but I think Catholic teaches. And then there is a notion that politics is a rough game. So the two are very different. You have here politics, which is rough, and Christianity, which needs humility. And you have to match the two of them, in my case. But what I'm going to ask the Catholic fraternity is, please take interest in politics. When we are standing for elections, take interest in us, who we are. It is our character which is reflected in the laws we pass. So if you take a crook, you get crooked laws. So, take interest. Don't say there is a big queue there in the polling station, so I will not go to vote. If you don't go to vote, and then Catholics don't do, because Catholics like a bit of, they don't want roughness. If you don't vote, then you have actually voted for the person you did not want. So, take interest in politics and encourage many people, many Catholics, to stand for elections. Like I say, if they don't stand, then the other one will take. That is it. Take a lot of interest. It is a politician who controls resources. Is a politician who controls CDF, who controls money in the committees. So if you are not represented there, nobody will remember you. Oh, mine also will. So you must take interest, and you must, in the whole political process, you must evaluate, and you must go and vote. Don't fail to vote, and don't fail to even campaign and advise people on the right people and the right qualities. I think I'm the most blessed constituency. I have 4 parishes. And my Lord Bishop, I know soon I may get 5 or 6. I work very hard to build the church.